Hello again, guys. Today, I'll show you how to upload an EDI file in the purchase order. Go to the purchase orders and click Add PO from the top right. When the Create Purchase Order window opens, go to the EDI tab. Select your vendor for this purchase order. Next, select the EDI format. The EDI format is the format that we choose for your vendor. And if you do not see the required EDI format for your vendor, you will need to enable it from Global first, and then come back and select the format. After selecting the vendor and the EDI format, click the Upload Document box and choose the EDI file from your computer. Once the file is selected, click Save. After the document uploads successfully, a preview page will appear. Review the information carefully to make sure the details are correct. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. After confirming, you'll be taken back to the main purchase order page, and the uploaded EDI purchase order will be added to the list. If you see the items are not active here in the system, you can select All, go to the Edit, and activate the items from there. In that way, all the items selected will be activated. And that's how you add the EDI format in the purchase order.